Hi, are you looking for a project in the IT hub of Pune? Well, you've arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, India's only online PropTech portal. What exactly is a PropTech portal? Well, this is the place where you can do your property site visits virtually. Not just that, once you have shortlisted all the projects that you have liked, after that, our dedicated relationship manager will also take you around all the projects, and that too with absolutely free pickup and drop service. Well, because we also connect you directly to the developer, and in fact to premium developers. That's the reason we don't even have any brokerage charges. And not just that, we also offer you many schemes and discounts when you are booking your project with Property Cloud. But where am I today and what are we doing at the IT Hub of Pune? Well, I am at Hinjewadi Phase 1 at Rahul Aston, the gem of Hinjewadi. And they have a beautiful sample flat which I'm going to show you, which is of 801 square feet. But before that, I want to tell you where exactly I am. Hinjewadi Phase 1 is not enough, it's a big area. But I am right near Chhatrapati Shivaji Metro Station, which is the Hinjewadi Phase 1 metro station. The upcoming metro station is going to be very close from this place, and this project also has multiple amenities. The complete project has been made in 6 acres of land parcel, and it has 5 towers. And here I am right outside the 2 BHK apartment. Now, first of all that you notice is this outside space that you will get right outside your house, wherein yahan pe bhi, of course, you can have your shoe racks and storage units, but there is an extra space inside which I'm going to tell you about. First of all, let's take a look at the video door phone and the digital door lock that you will be getting over here. This can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numeric lock, and also a physical key. Now, here is another space which is of 4.5 by 6.4 square feet for your shoe racks and your storage units. And now it's time to enter into the grand living and dining area. The dining area is of approximately 6.1 by 4.4 square feet, and your living area is of approximately 16.2 by 9.10 square feet. And now it's time to move right into the balcony. The balcony comes with anti-skid tiles and also is covered from 3 sides. Along with that, you also get an iron railing right over here. The balcony is pretty well connected to the kids' bedroom and the master bedroom. I'm going to show you how in just about a few minutes. Until then, first of all, let's take a look at the kitchen. Now, from the living and the dining, we're going to enter into the kitchen. The best part about the kitchen is that it does not have a straight wall, and the kitchen is not a separate unit altogether. It's just a part of your living and dining area. And here is the kitchen, which is of approximately 7.11 by 9.7 square feet. Now, this is one very good thing because this gives a pretty good space over here for movement, and they have also provided a service platform right over here. This is one L-shaped granite slab that you will get, which ends at the vegetable sink over here, and they also have a dry balcony right here, which is of approximately 7.11 by 3.6 square feet. It's covered from 3 sides, and the flooring is also given anti-skid. And now it's time to see the balcony again from the kids' bedroom this time. So let's first of all take a look at the kids' bedroom over here. The kids' bedroom is of approximately 10.7 by 9.5 square feet, giving there enough space for your wardrobes and your beds as well. And here is the balcony that we saw from the living room, which is also connected to the kids' bedroom. Now let's take a look at the common washroom. This foyer area, which is diagonally opposite your kids' bedroom, has this common toilet and bath, which is of approximately 4.6 by 7.6 square feet. And right next to it is your master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom also has that balcony, and I'm sure you're very excited to see it. I'm going to show it to you, but first of all, let's check out the master bedroom right over here, which is of 11.3 by 10 square feet. And it has an attached toilet and wash also to it right over here, which is of approximately 4.6 by 8.1 square feet. And now let's walk into the balcony. This is your master bedroom's balcony, which also comes with the same flooring as we saw before, and also it is covered. And this is your kids' bedroom, and this is the living room, and we're back at the entrance of the house. Now that we are anyways back at the entrance of the house, let me also tell you that if you have liked this property and you want to come over here do a physical site visit, all you need to do is, in the captions we have mentioned a link. You need to click on that link so that you can book your project site visit and come over here and book your project with Property Cloud so that you can avail special offers and discounts with Property Cloud. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and do not forget to mention in the comments how did you like this video. Bye-bye.